Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to write a program in Python to check if a particular key is present in a dictionary or not. That is, we will have a dictionary and we will ask the user to enter a key that he wants to search, and if that particular key is present in our dictionary, then we will give that the key is found, and if it is not present in our dictionary, then we will provide with relevant comment of that the key is not found. So let's get started with the video. So let's have a dictionary called DB which is having this key value pair. Now let's ask the user to enter the key, and in order to store it, let's have a variable, or simply let's call it search key. And now we know that in Python we can take input from the user with help of input function. So we will simply write input, and then within the double quotes we will provide with the comment that will be an indication to the user like what exactly he or she needs to do. So over here we want the user to enter us with the key, so we'll simply write enter the key. Now we know that this function is going to return us string. So what will happen is that the user will give us with a key. Let's say the user has entered 3, but that 3 will be in the string form. Okay, so over here we can see that it's not in a string, it's an integer. So in order to make that string workable with us, what we have to do is we have to cast it to integer type. Then only we can work with it and it could serve our purpose. So in order to cast this thing to integer type, we know how to do it. We'll simply write int, and then within the parentheses we will provide the things up. So from this line we basically mean that we will ask the user to enter the key. Let's say the user has entered the key, then that will be in a string. So in order to make that string convertible to integer, what we did, we casted it to integer type, and finally the key was converted to integer type and got stored in search key. Now let's see how exactly we can search the things up. So in Python, we can search, or we can get the list of all the keys of a dictionary with help of a method called dot keys. So over here in this situation, let's say if we want to get the list of all the keys present in DB, we'll have to simply write db.keys. Now what the logic that we can think of, so we let's say we got the list of all the keys. Okay, let's say we got 1 2 3 and 4. Now we have to check search key. So what we will do is we'll simply say that if my search key is present in this part or not, right? So let me show you how we can do that. So to do that, we'll simply write if search key in db.keys. So what's happening over here is that we know that db.keys, what it does, so it simply returns the name of all the keys that are present in the dictionary in an iterable format. So we are checking if all basically we are checking in all the keys if my search key is present or not. Let's say if the search key is present, then our flow of the program will move to line number 13, and let's print the relevant comment, and let the comment be simply the key is found. Okay, now if in case the search key was not present, then the program execution or the program flow will move to line number 14, which is else's part, and finally it will enter to line number 15, and let's give the relevant comment that the key is not present. Now let's hit enter and see it working. See, it's asking me to enter the key. Let's give a positive test case and let's enter the key as simply 2. And boom, here you can see that it's telling that the key is found. Now let's give something which is let's give something which is not there present. So let's give 6, and boom, here you can see that it's telling that the key is not present. So this is how we can find if a key is present in a dictionary or not in Python. I hope you understood the things very clearly. But still, if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video. Thank you.